Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore a problem where we are given a sample of bottles of tea and the volume of the tea in each bottle is measured. And we are given the cumulative frequency curve. Well, find the number of bottles that is given in this sample. So they are essentially asking us about how many samples were in this, how many bottles of tea were in this sample. We are actually looking at the total number. So in this case, 80. Done. So that's where you get the total number of bottles of or items in a sample in a cumulative frequency curve. Find the number of bottles where the volume is between 300 and 304. Okay. So now then we will need to find between 300. From this particular diagram, I will get that there is 20 of them. That has less than 300 ml. And again from here, I will get 67 bottles that is less than 304. So this means that from here all the way to there, $67. Then the question will then come back to here. How then can we find the number of bottles that is between 300 and 304, which is this. How then can we find this? Number of bottles. What do you suggest? Yes. All we have to do is just to make use of 67 minus away my 20. I will get my 47. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.